And now I will show you how to use the laser machine to do the simple engraving. Okay, again, turn on. Open this software. And you will see here have the T. Okay, I do it large to show you. Here have the. Then you can click here to test it. As I want to show Gowell, Gowell, application apply. Okay, and if you want to hatching or you want to make it bigger, you can adjust the size here. Okay, and you can move it as anywhere you want to marking. Now I will want to hatch. Okay, yeah, then finish it. We can start it. Again, we do autofocus to measure it. And we'll see. Okay, this was the head of this housing. Okay, read light F1. Then you can see where you're marking, what size you're marking. And I want to do it smaller, so you can make a stop and get it smaller. Again, read light. Then you will see it's smaller than before. Okay, and stop. F2 marking. Yes, very nice. Thank you.